Hello, children. We hope that you all are safe and healthy at your homes. Today, we are going to read from our English Reader book, Chapter 3, the book that nobody has read. Means, this story is about a book. That book is not read by anyone. So, what is the story? So, let's read in the book. Krishnadev Raya was a great and kind king of Vijayanagar. This story is about the king of Vijayanagar. He was very great and kind king. He had many learned scholars in his court. They could debate on any topic and find answers. Krishnadev Raya was proud of them. So in the court's king, there were many learned scholars. Scholars means the people who are highly educated and they could debate. Debate means a discussion between two people or two groups to put forward their ideas. So these people, these learned scholars can debate on any topic. Krishnadev Raya was proud of them. Krishnadev Raya was very happy with their work. His court jester Tenali Rama was also known for his clever thinking and quick wit. So in his court there was a jester, means a person at a king's court who entertained him. So Tenali Rama was very clever. He can solve any of the problems of the king easily. Once what happened? A learned scholar came from another town to Vijayanagar. A well-educated person came from other town. He was dressed in fine silks and jewels like a king. His men told everyone, nobody can win over our guru in debate. So this learned man who came from other town to Vijayanagar, he was very clever and he was also very educated, that if he could debate, nobody can win over him. And people called him Guru. Guru means an influential teacher. He was so well read that always he has the last word. Means whenever there is any discussion, he always wins the discussion. When our great guru goes to courts, kings present him with riches to show their respect. So people has said about this guru that if this guru goes to king's courts, so kings are giving them presents. And riches means valuable things the kings are giving them to show their respect. Krishnadev Raya heard about this guru. Krishnadev Raya has also heard about this guru, that he is a very learned man. He called his scholars and said, so after hearing about the guru, Krishnadev Raya called his scholars and told them that I have heard all about this man. I will be upset if none of you are able to win in a debate with this guru. So the king said that I want that all of you have a discussion with the guru, and I don't want that my scholars are not winning. So he wants that his scholars win the debate. Have you not read the books there are to read? So why can't you win? So the king said that you have all the knowledge, you have read many books, so you must win this debate. One scholar said, we will try, your highness. So one of the scholar from the king's court said to Krishnadev Raya that we will try, your highness. Highness means they are saying this for the king. When the king left, they all started talking about among themselves. When the king left the court, then all the scholars were discussing among themselves. One said, I can imagine how can we overweight this guru. So one of them said that I can't even imagine, that it will be very difficult because he is a very famous guru. His men say that nobody can win, can challenge him on any topic. He knows everything. All the people said to him that he is very intelligent, he is having knowledge of every topic, and he can, nobody can challenge him. Challenge means to test a person's skills or ability. Has anyone met them? We must find out why everyone is so afraid. Let's find out what kind of books he reads, said another. So another man said from the king's court that we can have anyone met with this guru, so we can find out that which kind of books he is reading, so he can also prepare about it. Just then, when they were discussing, Tenali Rama entered the court. Tenali Rama came in the court. The scholars told him about the guru who had challenged them. So the scholars told to Tenali Rama that there is a guru who has given them challenge and nobody can win from this guru. They said, the king wants us to outwit him. We wonder how can we do that. So the scholars were very frightened. They do not know how they can win from this guru. Tenali Rama smiled. He can't be so well read that there must be books which he hasn't read. So Tenali Rama smiled and he said that he can't be so well read. He can't be so much educated that there must be some books which he has not read. Finally, the day of debate arrived. Finally, the day came when the guru came in Krishnadev Raya's court for the debate. The scholars had set up all night reading. The scholars were ready with the reading for full night. And then next morning there was debate. The king was going to give the winner of the debate 100 gold coins. So the king Krishnadev Raya has said that whoever will win the debate, they will get 100 gold coins. Everyone was waiting for the guru to reach the court. So this was the announcement by the king, and after that all of them were ready in the court and they all were waiting for the guru to come in the court. When he entered, followed by his men, people were really wonderstruck. Wonderstruck means experiencing a feeling of wonder and delight. When the guru came inside the court, everyone was surprised. They had never seen a scholar looked like this guru. He was wearing so many necklaces that his chest was covered with gold. So this guru came inside the court and he was wearing so many gold jewelries, gold necklaces, and his chest was covered with gold. When the scholars sat down, all the scholars settled down, then Tenali Rama walked in. The scholars looked at him and said, I don't talk to anyone but scholars. Who are you? When Tenali Rama came, the guru said that I don't talk to anyone. I don't want to talk with anyone, but I will talk only to the scholar. And this guru do not know that who is that. So he asked him, who are you? He asked from Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama bowed his head and said, bowed his head means he has joined his hand and bowed down his head and said, Sir, before we start the debate, may I get a doubt cleared? So Tenali Rama said, Sir, before we will start the debate, before starting the debate, can I ask a question? I have a doubt. Can you clear this? I was reading a book called Tilakashta Mahesha Bandhana last night. So Tenali Rama asked him that last night I was reading this book. A difficult question raised in the book. I would like you to give us the answer. So Tenali Rama said that when I was reading this book, a question raised, and can you give the answer? I am sure you are the only person who can answer this. Tenali Rama said that I know you are well educated and you can only give me the answer. The scholar looked uncomfortable when this scholar means Guru heard this name of the book. He was looking uncomfortable. He was thinking, I have never heard of this book, but how can I accept in front of all these people that I have not read this book? So when he has read the book's name Tilakashta Mahesha Bandhana, the scholar was uneasy that he has not even heard this name. So he has not read this book. And if he will say this thing that I have not read this book, the people will not believe on him, because the people believed that he is a scholar, he knows all the subjects. He cleared his throat and said, I have read this book, but that was many years ago. So the scholar said this, that I have read this book, but I am not remembering because I have read it many years before. I don't remember much about it. Can we discuss this tomorrow? We can call off today's debate and meet tomorrow. So the Guru said that, can we discuss this thing tomorrow, because I have read this book but I don't remember much, because many years before I have read this book. So can I have some review of the book? Can I read it and then come tomorrow and we will have a debate tomorrow? The next morning, when the royal guards went to invite the Guru for the debate, he was not found anywhere. So next morning, when the Guru said that we will discuss, the royal guards went to call Guru for the debate. But he was not found anywhere. His men were also gone. All the people who came with the Guru, they have also gone without telling the king or the other people. The king heard this and asked Tenali Rama which book it was that frightened the scholar away. So king has asked to Tenali Rama that which book it was that has frightened. The scholar was so much frightened after hearing about the book's question, the book's doubt, and he has gone away. Tenali Rama said, I don't know, Your Highness. I am going to write it soon. So Tenali Rama laughed and he said that there is no book like this and I am going to write it soon. I will write this book and then I'll tell you. Everyone laughed at Tenali Rama's cleverness. So everyone, all the scholars also laughed that there is no such book, and the scholar thought that he has not read the book and not ready for the debate, and he has lost the debate by running away from the king's court. So this was the story of chapter 3. I hope you must have understood the chapter. Goodbye, children.